Lasagna, a dish that transcends the boundaries of simple cooking and enters the realm of art. It's more than just a dish, it's an experience. Each bite tells a story, a narrative of flavors that dance on your palate, a celebration of flavors and textures meticulously layered to create a symphony of taste. The tender pasta, the rich meat sauce, the creamy bechamel, and the gooey cheese all come together in perfect harmony. Originating in Italy, lasagna has captured hearts and stomachs worldwide. From the bustling streets of Rome to the cozy kitchens of homes around the globe, this dish has become a universal symbol of comfort and love. What's not to love? Tender sheets of pasta embracing a rich, savory filling, each layer adding depth and complexity to the dish. All blanketed in a creamy, cheesy topping that melts and bubbles to perfection in the oven. The sight of that golden crust is enough to make anyone's mouth water. It's comfort food at its finest, and the best part? It's a dish that brings people together. Whether it's a family dinner, a gathering of friends, or a special occasion, lasagna has a way of making moments memorable. You can create this culinary masterpiece in your own kitchen. With a few simple ingredients and a bit of patience, you can craft a dish that will impress and delight. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and let's get started on this delicious journey. Let's get started, you donkey. Before we embark on this culinary adventure, let's gather our ingredients. For the meat sauce, ground beef, Italian sausage, onion, diced, garlic, minced, canned crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and black pepper. For the bechamel sauce butter, all-purpose flour, milk, salt, black pepper, and nutmeg. For the cheese filling, ricotta cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, eggs, fresh parsley, chopped salt, and black pepper, and of course, lasagna noodles and shredded mozzarella cheese. First, we tackle the meat sauce. This is the cornerstone of any great lasagna, the element that brings everything together. The rich, savory flavors of the meat sauce will permeate every layer, making each bite a delightful experience. This is the heart of your lasagna, so don't rush it. Take your time to develop those deep, complex flavors. The key here is patience and attention to detail. Start by browning the ground beef and sausage in a large pot. This step is crucial as it builds the base of your sauce. Make sure to break up the meat as it cooks to ensure even browning. Once the meat is browned, drain any excess grease to keep the sauce from becoming too oily. Next, add the diced onion to the pot. Cook until the onions are softened and translucent. This will add a subtle sweetness and depth to the sauce. The onions should be cooked just right, not too brown to maintain their delicate flavor. Stir in the minced garlic, allowing it to release its aroma and infuse the meat with its pungent flavor. Then, add the crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. These ingredients will create a rich, aromatic base for your sauce. The combination of herbs and spices is what gives the sauce its distinctive Italian flavor. Bring the sauce to a simmer, and let it work its magic for at least an hour, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. This slow, simmering process is essential for developing a sauce that is rich and full-bodied. Taste the sauce occasionally and adjust the seasoning as needed. Remember, a great meat sauce is the foundation of a memorable lasagna. Section 4. The meat of the matter, a symphony of savory sensations. While the meat sauce simmers, we'll prepare the bechamel, a creamy white sauce that adds a touch of luxury. Melt the butter in a saucepan. Gradually whisk in the flour, cooking for a minute or two. Slowly pour in the milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Cook until the sauce thickens, then set aside. Section 5. A creamy embrace, the bechamel blanc. Now for the cheese filling, which is essential. In a large bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, eggs, chopped parsley, salt, and pepper. Mix well. This creamy mixture will add another dimension of flavor and texture to your lasagna. Section 6. Assembling the masterpiece, a layered symphony. Preheat your oven. Now the fun part. Spread a thin layer of meat sauce in the bottom of a baking dish. Top with a layer of lasagna noodles, followed by a layer of the cheese filling. Sprinkle generously with mozzarella cheese. Repeat these layers, ending with a layer of noodles topped with bechamel sauce, and a final glorious shower of mozzarella cheese. Section 7. The grand finale, baking and serving your triumph. This is the moment you've been waiting for. After all the preparation, layering, and anticipation, it's time to bake your lasagna. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your lasagna in the center of the oven and bake until the top is bubbly and golden brown, which should take about 45 minutes to an hour. The aroma that fills your kitchen will be absolutely irresistible. Once your lasagna is perfectly baked, resist the urge to dig in immediately. Let it rest for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This resting period is crucial as it allows the lasagna to cool slightly and the layers to settle. This will make slicing much easier and ensure that each piece holds together beautifully. When you slice into your lasagna, you'll notice how the layers have melded together perfectly. The cheese is gooey, the sauce is rich, and the pasta is tender. This allows the layers to settle, ensuring a perfect slice every time. Use a sharp knife and cut with confidence, knowing that your hard work has paid off. There you have it, a homemade lasagna that would make your Italian grandmother proud. The vibrant colors and the mouth-watering aroma are a testament to your culinary skills. Place a generous slice on a plate and admire your handiwork. This is not just food, it's a labor of love. To complete your meal, serve your lasagna with a simple salad and some crusty bread. The freshness of the salad will complement the richness of the lasagna, and the bread will be perfect for soaking up any extra sauce. This combination makes for a truly satisfying and balanced meal that will delight your taste buds. Now, get in the kitchen and make some magic. Cooking is an art, and with each dish you create, you get better and more confident. Don't be afraid to experiment and put your own twist on classic recipes. The kitchen is your playground, so have fun with it. And for God's sake, don't overcook the pasta. Perfectly cooked pasta is the foundation of a great lasagna. It should be al dente, firm to the bite, yet tender. Overcooked pasta can ruin the texture of your dish, so keep a close eye on it and test it frequently. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each attempt brings you closer to lasagna perfection. Please like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.